Hey guys, my name is Jeremy, KL70C, and today we're going to do another Pota activation, or a Parks on the Air activation. We are at Finger Lake State Recreation site, just outside of Wasilla. The designator is Kilo 7211. It is a cold 14-degree Easter Sunday with snow in the forecast. So, got the portable ham shack set up. Got the buddy heater going to keep us warm. The Buddipole, got it set up, so we're about ready to call. You guys ready? All right, let's go. Is the frequency in use? Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie.
CQ Pota, CQ Parks on the Air. This is Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie. Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie Park, Kilo 7211. Finger Lake State Recreation site in South Central Alaska. Calling CQ Parks on the Air and standing by.
Echo Alpha 1, Foxtrot India Charlie.
Echo Alpha 1 Foxtrot India Charlie 5151 in the park, Kilo 7211 QSL. Roger. Thank you for the contact from Spain. I sure do appreciate the contact across the pond, sir. 73 to you.
Thank you so much. 73.
Absolutely. The park to park, go ahead.
Park to park, Kilo Juliet 7 Foxtrot Papa Delta.
Kilowatt Juliet 7 Foxtrot Papa Delta 5555 in the park, Kilo 7211 QSL. Roger. Copy the 55 and Kilo 8311. I sure do appreciate the park to park, sir. Good luck on your activation. 73.
Echo Alpha 1, November Echo.
The November Echo station again. November Echo station again.
Okay, sorry. This is Echo Alpha 1, November Echo, QSL.
QSL Echo Alpha 1 November Echo 5959. Great signal in the park, Kilo 7211 QSL.
Okay, QSL. 5757 your report. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Roger. Copy the 57. Thanks for the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Whiskey 7 Delta Oscar Golf.
Whiskey 7 Delta Oscar Golf 5151 in the park, Kilo 7211 QSL.
Yeah, Whiskey 7 Delta Oscar Golf.
Roger. Whiskey 7 Delta Oscar Golf. You are 5151 in the park, Kilo 7211 QSL.
QSL, I have you 5757 Arizona, QSL.
Roger. Copy the 57. I should appreciate the contact this morning, sir. 73 to you.
November 7 Quebec Golf, Kilo Juliet.
The November 7 station.
November 7 Quebec Delta, Kilo Juliet.
November 7 Quebec Delta 5757 in the park, Kilo 7211 QSL.
QSL, just 56 here in Northeast California.
Roger. Copy the 56 into Northeast California. Thanks for the contact this morning, sir. 73 to you.
73 to you and good luck.
Thank you.
Kilo India 7 November Whiskey Charlie.
Kilo India 7 November Whiskey Charlie 5858 in the park, Kilo 7211 QSL.
56 Oregon.
Roger. Copy the 56 Oregon. Thanks for the contact this morning, sir. 73.
Thank you, 73. Kilo Bravo 8 Sierra Zulu Uniform.
Kilo Bravo 8 Sierra Zulu Uniform 5858 in the park, Kilo 7211 QSL.
QSL, I have you about a 3-3 into southern Arizona.
Roger. That last transmission come up to about a 5-9-10 over QSL.
QSL.
Roger. Well, thanks for the contact this morning, sir. 73 to you.
73.
Roger. Oscar November 4 Charlie November QSL. QSL, copy the 4x4. You're also 4x4 in the Park Kilo 7211, QSL. QSL. Thanks for the contact, sir. I sure do appreciate it. 73 to you. Thanks for the contact this morning, sir. 73.
Kilo America 7, Tango X-ray Sugar.
Kilo Alpha 7, Tango X-ray Sugar, 5454 in a Park Kilo 7211, QSL.
QSL, you're a 5353 Arizona.
Roger, copy the 53 Arizona. Thanks for the contact, sir. 73.
Thank you, and have a great Easter.
Absolutely, you do as well.
Kilo Hotel 6 Whiskey India.
Kilo Hotel 6 Whiskey India, booming signal 59 into Park Kilo 7211, QSL.
Roger, thanks for the 5 and 9. You're also 5 and 9 in Hawaii.
Roger, you parked this evening?
Not yet. I'm about to head out in a little bit. If you're still on, I'll give you a call for a park to park.
Roger, I sure appreciate it, sir. Thanks for the contact, 73.
73, mahalo.
Whiskey Alpha 7, Romeo Alpha Romeo.
Whiskey Alpha 7, Romeo Alpha Romeo, 5757 in the Park Kilo 7211, QSL.
Yeah, Roger, QSL, Jeremy. I have you 5656 in Oscar Romeo, Oregon this afternoon, Roger.
Roger, copy the 56 into Oregon. I sure do appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Yeah, 73, thanks.
Absolutely, thank you. November Charlie 4, X-Ray Lima. How are you, sir? I have you 5151 in the Park Kilo 7211, QSL. Roger, copy the 55. I sure do appreciate the contact, sir. How are you in the park today? Roger. Well, I sure do appreciate the contact on this Easter Sunday, sir. 73 to you. November 7, Bravo, Quebec, 5151, Park Kilo 7211, QSL. Roger, copy the 33 into Arizona. Well, I should appreciate the contact today, sir. 73.
Whiskey 7, Romeo Tango Alpha.
Whiskey 7, Romeo Tango Alpha, 59 into Park Kilo 7211, QSL.
Roger. Good afternoon there, Jeremy, and happy Easter. And I've got you 5-8 down here into Oregon.
Roger, copy the 5-8 into Oregon. I should appreciate the contact on this band, sir, and happy Easter to you. 73.
Roger, be safe, have fun, 73.
Absolutely.
Juliet 7, November Whiskey Kilo.
Kilo Juliet 7, November Whiskey Kilo 59 in the Park Kilo 7211, QSL.
QSL, you're a 5-9, Salem, Oregon.
Roger, copy the 5-9 into Salem, Oregon. Thanks for the contact, sir. 73. The Kilo Oscar 4 station again? Was that Kilo Oscar 4 Mach Golf Tango, QSL? Roger, I have you a 5151 in the Park Kilo 7211, QSL. Roger, copy the 55 into Georgia. Thanks for the contact, 73. The Hotel Zulu, again a couple times with a call. Was that Kilo Romeo 4 Hotel Zulu, QSL? Roger, I have you a 5151 into Park Kilo 7211, QSL.
QSL, thanks for the park.
Absolutely, thanks for South Carolina, sir. 730 to you. Kilo Oscar 4 Lima Mach Yankee 3333 in the Park Kilo 7211, QSL. Roger, Roger, copy the 5-3 in a Golf Alpha. Yeah, it actually just come up to about a 5-1 on the last transmission. Well, thanks for the contact, sir. 73 to you.
73, thanks, Roger.
Absolutely.
Charlie Alpha Echo.
Was that Kilo 1 Charlie Alpha Echo QSL?
QSL, Jeremy, I appreciate the 7211, and you are 55 South Carolina, Sugar Charlie. Happy Easter.
Roger, Roger, copy the 5-5 into South Carolina. You're a 5-9, 59 in a Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
QSL, 73, Jeremy. Have a great Easter Sunday, 73.
Absolutely. Happy Easter to you, sir. 7-3.
Kilo 7, Bravo Oscar Sierra.
Kilo 7, Bravo Oscar Sierra, 5-9 in a Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
QSL 5-9 into Washington State.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-9 into Washington State. Thanks for the contact, sir. 7-3.
You have a good time out there, 7-3.
Absolutely.
Delta 5, Alpha Foxtrot Radio. Got you 58, New Mexico.
Roger, Roger. Whiskey Delta 5, Alpha Foxtrot Radio, 5151 in the Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
QSL 73.
Absolutely. Thanks for the contact, sir. 7-3.
Whiskey 7, Mike Tango Hotel.
Whiskey 7, Mott Tango Hotel, 5-9 in the Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
Yeah, Roger, Roger, the 597211 there. You are about a 5757 year into Washington State near Seattle.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-7 into Washington State. Sure do appreciate the contact, sir. 7-3.
5, Radio Charlie Golf.
Whiskey 5, Radio Charlie Golf, 5-9 in the Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
QSL, you're 5-9 in Mississippi, thank you.
Absolutely. Copy the 5-9 in Mississippi. Thanks for the contact, sir. 7-3.
November 5, X-Ray Zulu.
November 5, X-Ray Zulu, 5-9, 59 Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
Thank you, 5-9 Texas.
Copy the 5-9 Texas. Thanks for the contact, sir. 7-3.
Kilo 5, Mike Lima.
Kilo 5, Mike Lima, 5454 in the Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
QSL 5-9 in Louisiana.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-9 Louisiana. Thanks for the contact, sir. 7-3.
Whiskey 4, Alpha Uniform X-Ray Mobile.
Whiskey 4, Alpha Uniform X-Ray Mobile, 5-7 in the Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
QSL, Mobile, New Mexico. Got you 4-4 here.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 4-4 into New Mexico. Thanks for the contact, sir. 7-3. Victor Kilo 8, Golf Mike, 5454 in the Park Kilo, 7211 QSL. Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-2. You're in Australia, QSL?
QSL, we have Western Australia in Australia.
Roger, Roger. That's awesome. That's only, I think this is my third single sideband contact with Australia. I sure do appreciate it, sir. Thanks for chasing me down. 7-3 to you.
Good luck out there.
Absolutely. 7-3.
53 Foxtrot. 53 Foxtrot in Northern California on a bicycle, over.
Roger, Roger. Whiskey 3, Foxtrot. Is this Bob?
Bob, like the beer. Bravo United Delta.
Roger, Roger. Whiskey 3, Foxtrot. Great signal, 5-9 in the Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
7211. Okay, great. Hey, great catch on Victor Kilo 8 Golf Mike. Really nice catch for you.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And it was done off the Buddipole.
Hey, good. Yeah, I designed that Buddipole a long time ago. Thanks for hearing me.
Absolutely. I sure do appreciate it, sir. Thank you. Thanks for chasing me down. 7-3.
Bye-bye. Way 6, Mike.
November 6, Mike, 5-9, 59 in the Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
QSL, you are 5-9 Charlie Alpha.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-9 Charlie Alpha. Thanks for the contact, sir. 7-3.
73s and Happy Easter. Thank you for the activation.
Absolutely. Thanks for the contact, sir. Happy Easter.
Golf number 6, Juliet Lima Echo.
Kilo Golf 6, Juliet Lima Echo, 5959 in the Park Kilo, 7211 QSL.
You're 5-9 Charlie Alpha.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-9 in the Charlie Alpha.
Kilo India 5, Victor India Golf.
Kilo India 5, Victor India Golf 5151 Park Kilo 7211 QSL. Kilo India 5, Victor India Golf. Yeah, it kind of dropped off on that last transmission with some QSB. I got you in the log though, sir. I should appreciate the contact. 732.
November 7, Zulu Juliet Lima.
November 7, Zulu Juliet Lima 59 in the Park Kilo 7211 QSL.
QSL, you're 57 in Oscar Romeo. Thanks, and I watch your videos. Appreciate them.
Hey, I sure do appreciate it, sir. Yeah, you'll be in this one. So, thanks for the contact, sir. 73.
73.
Whiskey Golf, November, Whiskey, Germany, Norway, over.
Roger, Roger. Whiskey Golf 5, November, 5-1. You're 51, 5-1, 5-1 in the Park Kilo 7211 QSL.
I'll give you a 3-3 in Oklahoma, Oscar Kilo. What was my signal report, over?
5-1, 51, 5-1, 5-1, 5-1 QSL.
QSL to 5-1, all right, we'll make it work with your phones. Thanks for the activation and happy Easter.
Absolutely. Thanks for the contact, sir. 73. Happy Easter.
5, Bravo, Mike Oscar. Kilo 7, Foxtrot, Radio Yankee.
Whiskey 5, Bravo Mike Oscar 5-1 in the Park Kilo 7211 QSL.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-1. You're a 5-2 into Oregon. Oscar Romeo, 5-2 Oregon.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-2 in Oregon. Thanks for the contact, sir. 7-3 to you.
Yeah, 7-3. Thanks for the mark. Happy Easter. Have a great day.
Absolutely. Happy Easter.
Kilo 7, Foxtrot, Radio Yankee.
Kilo 7, Foxtrot Radio Yankee 5-7 in the Park Kilo 7211 QSL.
QSL also 5757 into Arizona, Alpha Zulu QSL.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-7 into Arizona. Thanks for the contact, sir. 7-3.
Kilowatt 6 here, Delta Whiskey, K6SDW.
Kilowatt 6 Sierra Delta Whiskey 5-4 in the Park Kilo 7211 QSL.
Yeah, QSL, you're about a 5 and 3 this afternoon in Sacramento. Nice audio though, so you're punching through. K6SDW.
Roger, Roger. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Delta 4, Delta Alpha, November.
The Whiskey Delta 4 station.
Delta 4, Delta Alpha, November.
Whiskey Delta 4, Delta Alpha November 54 54 in the Park Kilo 7211 QSL.
5-2, Golf Alpha, Happy Easter, 7-3.
Absolutely. Thanks for the 5-2 in the Golf Alpha. Happy Easter, sir. 7-3.
This is KL5DY, KL5DY.
Was that Kilo Lima 5?
Denmark Yankee, Denmark Yankee. I didn't know if you want an Alaska station, but I figured I'd throw it out there. You're booming here.
Absolutely. I'll take anything. Yeah, Kilo Lima 5, Delta Yankee. Great signal. 5-9 in the Park Kilo 7211 QSL.
QSL, hey, are you running that Buddy Hex right now?
No, I'm not running the Buddy Hex. I'm running the Buddipole though.
Oh, roger that. I think I'm buying a Buddy Hex. How do you like that?
We used it a couple years ago, the prototype, and it was great. It was a great antenna. Very easy to assemble. Yeah, absolutely love it. I think there's a pretty good waiting time for it right now. Probably about 6-7 months, I'd say.
Oh, roger that. I'll probably order it and hopefully have it by fall before I head down to my Florida QTH with the RV. But hey, thanks for picking me up and good luck, Jeremy.
Absolutely. Thanks for the contact, sir. Happy Easter to you. 7-3.
Japan, America 2, Charlie, Denmark.
Japan, America 2, Charlie, Quebec, Denmark. 5252 in the Park Kilo 7211 QSL.
This is Japan, America 2, Charlie, Queen, Denmark, Juliet, Alpha 2, 1-2, Charlie, Queen, Denmark, US 505, 5-5, over.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-5. You're a 5-2, 52, 5-2, 5-2. QSL?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, 5-5. Thank you. Kilo Lima 7, Echo Charlie. Charlie, Queen, Denmark. Thank you, arigato.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you for the contact, sir. I sure do appreciate it. 73 to you.
Whiskey 7, Yankee X-Ray Alpha.
Whiskey 7, Yankee X-Ray Alpha, 5959 in the Park Kilo, 7211, QSL.
QSL, I've got you at 5-5 in North Idaho with a lot of QSB. You are in and out for sure. Can I get your park number, please?
Absolutely. It's 7211. 7211. QSL?
I copy 7211. QSL.
QSL. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Whiskey 6, Papa Bravo Oscar.
Whiskey 6, Papa Bravo Oscar, 5454 in the Park Kilo, 7211. QSL?
QSL, I will take the 5-4 with about 20 watts. I have a wonderful day. 73, my friend.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's it's doing awesome for you. Doing awesome for you. Well, thanks for the contact, sir. 73 to you.
73, my friend. Good luck today.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir. 73.
November Charlie 4, Whiskey Tiger.
November Charlie 4, Whiskey Tango, 5757 in the Park Kilo, 7211. QSL?
Oh, Roger. You're 3-3. 3-3 in the South Central North Carolina, November Charlie. QSL?
Roger. Copy to 3-3 in November Charlie. Thanks for the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Thank you very much for the activation and for the contact. You stay for me. Very much. Happy Easter to you, and hope to catch you again. 73.
Absolutely, sir. Thanks for the contact. Happy Easter to you as well. 7-3. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. We had a total of 52 contacts, a lot of DX stations today, a few in Europe, Japan, and single sideband into Australia. So I couldn't be more happy for that. It's been an awesome activation. Thank you guys for watching. 7-3.